Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share an Instagram post to your story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app. And if you want to share your own post to your story, simply go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then just look for any post that you want to share. So for this one, click the paper airplane icon and then choose Add to Story. And then once you're satisfied with how your story looks, you can share it to your friends. Next, if you want to share other people's posts to your story but can't find the Add to Story option, it might be due to their privacy settings. And if you really want to share their post to your story, you have to encourage them to switch to a public account and to enable story sharing in their privacy settings. Now, to make sure others can share your posts, go to your account menu, confirm that your account is set to public. So this toggle button beside private account should be turned off. And then scroll to the top of your settings and then look for sharing in your mixes and click that. And make sure that the toggle button beside allow post and view sharing to stories is turned on. Once these settings are in place, your friends are all set to share your posts. If you want to share other people's posts, just look for a post in your homepage or go to the profile of a person. Repeat the process that I showed you earlier by clicking at the paper airplane icon below the post and then clicking Add to Story. And then that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.